In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add discount code restrictions on Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and which settings control who can use a discount, what it applies to, and how long it runs. First, open your browser, go to shopify.com and click Login to access your admin dashboard. Once you're in, look to the left panel and select Discounts. This is your hub for creating, editing, and managing all your promotions. Click Create Discount to get started. You'll see several discount types. Choose the format that suits your promotion, such as percentage, fixed amount, free shipping, or buy X, get Y. For this walkthrough, I'll use buy X, get Y as the example, because it's a great way to reward customers for buying multiple items. Next, decide how customers will receive the offer. You can make it a discount code, which shoppers must enter at checkout, or an automatic discount that applies on its own when conditions are met. Codes are great for email campaigns or social posts, while automatic discounts reduce friction during checkout. Now let's add restrictions so the discount works exactly as intended. Start with minimum requirements. You can require a minimum number of items or a minimum purchase amount before the offer triggers. This helps protect your margins and ensures customers meet the threshold you want. Then limit what the discount applies to. Choose specific products or collections for both the qualifying items and the discounted items. This keeps the promotion focused and prevents it from applying to items you don't want discounted. Set a maximum discounted value if needed. Capping the total discount or the number of discounted items is useful when you run store-wide traffic campaigns and want a hard limit on the benefit. Next, define eligible customers. You can make the discount available to everyone or restrict it to specific customer segments, such as returning customers or tagged groups. This is helpful for loyalty or wholesale scenarios. Set usage limits. You can restrict the total number of times the discount can be used overall, and also limit it to one use per customer to prevent repeat stacking. Decide whether this discount can be combined with other discounts. If you don't want stacking, turn it off to avoid unexpected extra savings. Finally, schedule the active start date and the end date. Scheduling ensures the promotion begins and ends exactly when you want. When everything looks good, click Save. That's it for adding discount code restrictions on Shopify. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.